If there's one thing I can tell you to convince you to switch off your backyard lighting at night, it's going to be this. Welcome to Light Free Thought, Episode 2. There's a light art installation in New York City called the Tribute and Light, which was created in remembrance for 9/11 attacks. It consists of 88 high-powered searchlights shooting up into the night sky. It was debuted in 2002, and since then, every year, they are displayed at the night of 9/11 until the dawn of next day. Now here's a bit of context. New York City sits along a major bird migration path. So every year, millions of birds travel thousands of kilometers using celestial cues like moonlight, starlight, and even Earth's magnetic field. They are sort of naturally programmed to follow these celestial cues to travel for longer distances for their migration. Now, on the night of 9/11/2002, when this installation debuted, scientists noticed the migratory birds turned around the light beams and deflected from their original path of migration. The birds confuse these lights as celestial cues and turns towards them, eventually getting trapped within the massive beams of light. Many of them eventually exhausted themselves and died within it, and once the lights were turned off, realizing that, many of the birds tried to escape and collided with the nearby buildings, and eventually dying. Over the years, studies show that the bird density around the lights goes up to 150 times the normal amount on 9/11 nights. So as a solution, researchers set up count sensors, and every time the bird count went up to around 1,000 birds in and near the beam, they would switch off the tribute and light for around 15 to 20 minutes, helping birds to continue their migration safely. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Every light that's on throughout the night, our driveway lights, our porch lights, they're all doing the same thing. Not at the level of tribute and light, of course, but when you add up lights all across neighborhoods, urban centers, and cities, the surface area all adds up. So apart from disrupting the celestial cues, these artificial light at night also attract insects in large numbers. And where insects go, predators go. So bats, spiders, birds, they're all attracted by our night light. So when this happens across large neighborhoods and thousands of homes overnight, the whole nocturnal ecosystem is affected. Insects die in large numbers, bird migration is affected, the whole natural food chain gets disrupted. And all of this because of a light that we don't even need at night. And let's not forget this has been happening since the invention of lighting. Perspective, this is what Toronto looked like in 2012, and this is what it looks like now. Light pollution has been increasing at just over 10% every year, which means every 7 to 8 years, the night sky brightness almost doubles. So maybe right now, the simplest thing we can do is to switch off that light.